Ah, what you doing? Girl, get out of here. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mr. Riley from Mr. Riley's World, and today is Friday night date night. That's right, just waiting for the wife to come on through. Hey, hey babe, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Somebody say hi to peeps. Yeah, okay. Blue gonna get you. All right, just waiting for the wifey to come on out so we can get this party started. Got the chariot. It's ready, and she doesn't know where we're going tonight. It's a surprise. Surprise. Surprise, surprise. So I got the car door open, ready for her to hop on in. We get this date night, Friday night date night started. All right, keep watching.
You wanna go to Sashi? Okay, I'm really hungry. Like, I'm probably going to talk.
Riley, do you want to eat?
Yes, I'm leaving right now.
Come on.
I like that. Here, take how much is it?
Cash App her. Come on, let's go. Hop in the car and call her.
It was for the gardener, but he didn't come. So just take out. what
Come
you
on back,
need
come
and
on
then-
back.
And then whatever. In that envelope right there on the table.
Man, come on
Bye,
back.
y'all. Love you.
All right, you know where we're going tonight?
No, you won't tell me. Why are you
Yep.
asking me questions?
I won't tell you. Come on, let's get in the car.
Hot.
It ain't hot.
Yes. It's hot. I'm hot.
Yeah, you hot, baby. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. All righty, we're buckled in, and we're about to hit these Los Angeles streets for another Friday night edition of Date Night. Date night. Date night. Date night. Hey, babe, why do you like going on date nights?
Because I can get out the house.
Is that the only reason?
Oh, yeah, and to hang out with you, baby. Yeah.
There we go. See. All right, here we go. About to hit the streets. What you doing? You putting your face on?
I don't know what that means.
That's what y'all call it. Putting your face on.
I don't put faces on.
You putting your face on? Why is the vanity mirror down?
I don't know, actually.
Yeah. Put that face on.
I don't put faces
Fix your face.
on.
Fix your face.
Fix your face.
My face is fixed.
Boy, bye.
Well, baby, I'm trying to get us to El Cholo's, but man, traffic is kind of crazy over here. Man. Yeah, there's a basketball game over here at crypto.com.
There's no such thing.
I know there is no such thing. This
In
is
the Staples Center?
Staples Center. Absolutely. Yeah, that's what's delaying us. But it is what it is. We're here. We're going to eat right over there. El Cholo. So we'll be there in a second. I know you like, where in the world are we going? Going to the opera. Going to the opera. Yeah, baby.
The opera.
The opera. Going to the opera.
The opera. You don't even like opera.
You're right, I don't.
So we ain't going to the opera.
All right, well, just stand by. I'm about to go park. Come this way. All right, you got a breath?
Yeah. You made me fly 7 flights of stairs.
Just a couple of steps. It's good for you. Help you close your rings. All right.
On date night?
On day night, absolutely. A little fitness. There's a little physical fitness on day night. Anyway, you want to know where we are? What we going to do tonight?
Can you tell me now?
Yeah, I'll tell you now. About to check out Alvin Ailey.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. A little something. A little surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's go find a bite to eat.
Something to
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes, sir. Alvin Ailey.
Well, if I go with the regular.
Yes. just finished date night, Alvin Alley. Hey, we just finished date night, Alvin Ailey. What you think about the show?
It rocked my soul in the bosom.
Yeah, it was a pretty dope show.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Happy to have witnessed it.
Yeah.
You know, they did their signature piece, Revelations,
It's beautiful.
centered around some of the, I guess, gospel music and dance.
It was beautiful.
It's beautiful. So we had a wonderful time here at the Dorothy Chandler Pavilion at the Music Center
Thanks, man.
in Los Angeles. So, hey, had a good time, right?
Yeah.
All
Nice.
right. Nice. Yeah, nice, different day night. Now let's see if we can go get something to eat because I'm hungry.
I mean, fish tacos. Let's go.
Let's go. All right. That's how we did day night again, Friday night. Peace. Date night does continue. 2 tacos, some chips. What you got, a taco?
Fish taco.
Fish taco. And some no-no juices.